That crack in your knuckle isn't bone. It's a gas bubble collapsing. Your joints sit inside a sealed capsule filled with synovial fluid, a thick liquid that stops bone from touching bone. When you pull the joint apart, pressure inside drops instantly. Dissolved gases, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, flash into a bubble. That crack is the bubble collapsing in under a millisecond. This is why you can't crack the same joint twice right away. It takes 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back. But does cracking cause arthritis? One doctor cracked only his left knuckles every day for 60 years. Right hand never cracked once. Zero difference in arthritis. Your body is basically a bag of trapped gas, and you have been popping it your entire life.